Bonsoir et merci d'être là avec nous en cette fin de week-end. Le florilège d'émotions, l'orgie d'images qui nous était promis, a donc bien eu lieu. Nous espérons que vous avez vibré avec nous, et tous les artistes présents, que vous avez partagé ces moments forts, riches, si différents, si originaux, tant dans leurs idées que dans leur traitement. Tâche bien difficile alors, sinon impossible, d'être équitable et juste. Des choix ont été faits. Ils sont à notre image, imparfaits, partisans, critiquables, forcément injustes. Les discussions ont été âpres, très âpres. Chacun avançant ses arguments, se faisant tour à tour l'avocat de certains et le procureur des autres. Le palmarès accouché de ces débats enflammés et qui va vous être révélé n'a qu'une seule ambition: refléter la richesse, le dynamisme, la variété et la sincérité de la sélection de cette année qui, comme nous le pressentions vendredi, fut un grand millésime. Merci et bravo à tous ces artistes indépendants, venus d'horizons si divers, qui nous ont fait partager leur immense générosité chevillée au corps, leur amour, leur vision, leur passion avec tant de talent. Ces talents, témoignages vivants de la grande vitalité et de l'immense créativité du cinéma européen, et qui donnent tant de sens au pari génial et fou de Scott Hillier et à l'existence de ce festival si particulier. Scott, à toi, et raconte-nous le palmarès.
Thank you. As always, it's very difficult to come after you. Thank you very much. Bienvenue, bonsoir, all that kind of stuff. Thank you very much for all being here. Because I'm so tired and these guys beat me up so much in the jury room, I'm going to ask my daughter to come up and help me. So, first of all, my staff and I really want to thank you for participating in such a great weekend. Who are we and what do we do?
Qui sommes-nous et que faisons-nous?
We're the European Independent Film Festival. This is our 8th year, and we show the best goddamn independent films from around the world. You don't have to say that.
Nous sommes le Festival européen du film indépendant et c'est notre 8e édition. Et nous projetons les meilleurs films indépendants du monde entier.
And we do this with no support, by the way. The people hear me say this all the time. We do this with no support from Europe. We do this with no support from the French government. We do this with no support from the mairie of Paris. We do this with no support from this town hall just down the road. It's done by independent filmmakers for independent filmmakers. As I said at the opening night, this festival attracts a crazed bunch of misfits, visionaries, very creative people. And we're proud of that.
Comme je l'ai dit lors de la cérémonie d'ouverture, le festival attire toute une bande de faux visionnaires et créatifs et nous en sommes fiers.
My staff, who knock on the door of craziness every day, every night and on many weekends, have worked very hard to make this happen, and I hope that this met your expectations. We're going to do some thank yous now, because you have to have thank yous for a film festival, because even though we don't have any financial support from anybody, we get support from our partners who offer us prizes for our filmmakers and to publicise us. We also have partner festivals all around the world. I can do this bit. We travel this film festival. We travel all around the world. Last year in 60 other festivals, and we like telling stories to as many people as we possibly can. Now, let's talk about this submission judges. We get 1,000 films. Oh, okay. We get 1,000 films every year, and we have 62 submission judges who help us pick the selection and break it down. We also have a jury, because you can't have a film festival without a jury. You're going to be meeting them all later. They've helped us actually get a great selection down to just a few award-winning films, but everyone's a winner now. A lot of these people have won previous film festivals. But what a selection. You got this bit? Nice. Quality stuff.
Quelle sélection!
What a selection 2013 was. And you know what? Here's what you missed if you weren't here for the full 3 days of the festival. I'm screwing it.